Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing wonderful. I have today the Glambagx. I believe this was curated by Kourtney Kardashian and it has some good things in it. First off, I just wanted to ask you guys how you guys are doing since it's been a little bit and I still haven't done my video about what I want to get into for the month. So I think what I'm going to do is give myself a break, be kind to myself, and make it so that I have something done that I can do as a mental health awareness in the month of June. Since we're midway through May and I haven't gotten anything done and there's a lot that's been on my plate, so I'm kind of trying to get caught up and be as transparent as I can be. I apologize if that's the reason you subscribed to my channels. It's mental health as well as beauty, so we're working on beauty on the inside as well as the outside. I've been dealing with my own things, which I keep saying, I said in the last video, that I will get into, but I am doing okay right now. I'm actually doing well. I do want to state that, and I'm working on some things, content for the future, but I did kind of go back to my work, and it is with comedians. You can go check them out. They're AC Jokes on YouTube. They have some great little live podcasts that we do, and now that I'm back doing that, I'm kind of catching up on the rest of my life, and my body is having the little bit of a hard time doing so just bear with me, guys. I'm doing my best and I'm sending you guys all light and love, and I will get back to the reason why I started this in the first place, and that means a lot to me to get back to. But as of right now, today, like I said, I have the Glambagx in front of me, and it is such a beautiful box. I love seeing this box. Something about the difference that it's purple and pretty, I don't know, it just makes me happy. So as we open up, I did use some of the things that I could. I will insert little clips of it. So it is not the first time I've opened it, but I have not tried everything, just a few things. So when you open it up, you do get the paper. Literally looks like a newspaper, and it tells you a little bit of being curated by Khloe Kardashian. She's absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to be a Kardashian hater if that's what you're looking for. It's just not me. I'm not for them. I'm not against them. I'm against the culture that we see today as, everybody trying to edit photos and look differently than they actually are. I will call out that, and I don't love that about that family, but that's kind of as far as I will go on that. In this has the things that you could curate and the things that would be given to you by Khloe, her picks. I was not able to pick any of mine. I got in a day and a half late, so I believe it was the third going into the fourth, and I believe you start curating on the second. I was not able to curate anything, so these were all picked for me. So first thing I want to do, I guess I will open this up. I just really know that you guys, some people really can't stand the noise of things. And by the way, I do realize that in some of my videos recently, for a split second, I'm having an audio issue, and I'm not sure what that is. I'm still trying to figure that out. So if that happens, I really apologize. It's not something I'm realizing I'm doing, and I'm going to try to figure that out. So the first thing that I really enjoyed playing with today was Modern Renaissance. This is $45. It says the reason why she picked this: these pink shades are so major. I love how feminine they make me feel. And I will say I did end up playing with some pink shades. I tried some of the brighter mauve than gold, and I have a silver pinkish color on the inner, and I did start with a light pink as a base. So I did start to play with this as much as I could. I do think Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow palettes are beautiful. They work perfectly. I feel like there's only so many looks that can come out of this, and I'm so silly. I didn't open it. I'm sitting here talking to you about it, and I didn't open it. I apologize, guys. Alright, so this is the palette. You can see the colors that I dipped into. I started out with this color here as an all over. I worked in this color here in the outside corners. Then I went over it with this sparkling shade just over here, where with this color I took it in here and a little bit in, as you can see. I then went into the center with this color here, right here, and then this silvery pinkish color It's hard to see. It's really got like pretty reflex of different colors on the inner side. It does come with its own brush. I did not use the brush, but it does come with it. I believe it's a beautiful palette. It's hard because if you look at this palette, it's like felt on here, and every YouTuber that I see that has this palette, it's like disgusting like within the third time of using it, but it's beautiful to start with. So that was the first thing that was curated for me. I believe that I could have either had this, the one size, or the Charlotte Tilbury. I have a tiny one of it, as Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, darling. And I really like the Magic Cream, I'm not gonna lie, but I probably with choice would have actually picked this. I do at one point want the one size palette, but I hear that it's like not great or bad. I have been wanting this palette for a long time, so that's exciting. The next thing I got, I'm trying to find some things on here I can talk about that are on the first page so I don't have to turn it as many times. I did get this Tower 28 gloss. I believe it's a jelly. It's a milky lip jelly, and actually, oddly enough, I forgot to use it. So the color that I have on right now is from a Boxy. So I am going to put this over top. It's, oh, this is cute. I really like this. I don't know why. It's just like simple, but it's cute. It's like a nude color. Oh, it really is like, that's pretty. It really is like a jelly. Like it feels like not tacky like a gloss, but jelly. It's a really nice wearing lip gloss. I believe it's a beautiful color. I got mine in cashew. So I really do like this. I could see this being like what I throw in my bag and wear all the time, like, you know, when we're not wearing masks. But you get what I'm saying. So that right there is on here, and that is $14. For $14, I really like that. I feel like that's really not a bad price for a lip gloss that feels like this and is also has a slight color to it. So yeah, that was a win in my book. I really did like that. On the next page, I believe these were personalized. I think we could have chosen these. Please bear with me. I think we could have chosen these. So I got the Olaplex, and this is the Intense Bond Building Hair Treatment. I have a lot of hair. I really have been losing a lot of hair due to my illness, and but even still I have a lot of hair. Like typically when I donate my hair, they can make more than one wig out of it, which is awesome, like that much hair. And I really would love this because my hair is breaking, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to show it to you guys, but because I've lost so much hair, it looks like it's growing in, and it's like about like this long, the new hairs that are growing in. So hopefully this helps keep my hair strong and, you know, not falling out. So that was Intensive Bond Builder was $28. It's beloved, I'm sorry, by hair pros. This at-home treatment builds broken bonds and gives strands their strength back. So I did hear that this is number 0. I heard it's good with number 3. I believe it is 3 or 4. I know that the entire line is great. So the other thing that I got that is on here is the Complex Culture. It's a rose core Gusha, I believe it's called Gusha. I did not open this up and use it because I'm going to use it at nighttime. I have, oh, it's cute. It comes with a little package. You can take it with you. That's awesome. Throw it in your purse. It's got to be in here somewhere, right? I have a couple rollers, and I have the vibrating one from last time, the one that you can kind of like, it's like a rod, and then it has like a little T at the end of it. It literally kind of looks like the thing that you put inside of you so you don't get pregnant. This is so random. I'm so weird. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm talking about? Ah! I'm gonna remember what it's called. I sound like a crazy person, but I'm gonna remember what it's called. But this is what it is. I love that it's rose quartz. So pretty much you would just take this and you would go on the angles here. I got one of these for my mother, and then with this you could push in here, and with this you could push here. So it has different angles and edges to fit every curve of your face. I love this, and it comes with this little guy right here, the Mirena. That's what it's called. The little T thing that I was saying goes in you so you don't get pregnant. It's called the Mirena. Welcome to my channel if you have not been here before. this is pretty much what you can expect. So that right there, and it says that this is $28. Massage your face with this traditional Chinese tool to help minimize puffiness and relieve tension. So that's exciting. I do have a few of those. I will keep that one because I really only kept that one, the PMD like massager, and then I have the T massager. I feel like they all kind of do different things. So next up I have, if I can find it, I'm sorry, I'm like trying to find it and I'm not seeing some of the stuff that I have in here. So this is an Aceology overnight lip mask. It's $40, $39. It's overnight oil infused lip balm. This is the ultimate beauty sleep essential that nourishes while you snooze. Okay. It doesn't, sorry, I'm playing with it because it doesn't feel like there's a lot in it. It feels like there's a lot of air in it. And then it comes with a little seal. I'm not going to use this right now. It doesn't say it's a sugar scrub. It does say it's a mask. My favorite mask currently is this guy right here from Balm, I believe it is. And that is a great mask. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, but that's what it is. It is a mask, a lip mask to be exact, and I'm not like overly excited or like overly, I don't know why I said it like that, or like meh about it. So I'm trying to find where this is. It's kind of driving me. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is the Rodeo Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. This company makes a lot of really good products. Rodeo or Rodeo, I forget how to say it. I think it's Rodeo actually. It's $60 and it's a cleansing balm at night where you absolutely must for heavy makeup. So today I've been doing more of a light makeup look. I don't know if you can really tell, but I actually have just barely been using my concealer and then this lightening. It's by Tarte the wand. It's like a lightning wand, and I put a little bit here, a little bit here, here over my nose and here, and then I blend it all out, and that's kind of what I've been doing. I haven't really been using any foundation at all, and it's been working for me, so I you know, I'm liking it. I know makeup look is coming more in anyway, so I feel like even this is a lot for the no makeup look. But this is Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. Now I've seen a lot of people that have had a really hard time like squeezing this out like it's clay, and it does feel really hard. I don't want to open it again. I don't know that I'm going to keep it. I'm kind of like so backed up with skincare and makeup and stuff like that that I'm not trying to keep something that, you know, I might end up giving away. But I did use this. This is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This is $135. Let's play a game of never would I ever, okay? Never would I ever pay $135 for this little teeny guy right here, okay? It's cute and all, but I don't really think it did that much of a difference. I will continue to use it and let you guys know if I fall in love with it. Still not buying it, but it's why she loves it. This looks so fab on my bathroom counter and even better on my skin. I will not be spending $135 for something to look good on my vanity or next to my sink. I'm just not going to. And then this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen is $22. Now, whoop. Let me say, this is my favorite thing that came in the box altogether. My brow hairs look so natural. I'm blessed enough to have a decent looking brow, but under here for me usually really isn't there. And you can kind of see where it is. It's dark brown. It works perfectly for my brows. I will carry this everywhere. This might be my new favorite baby. I'm so excited. I already love their brow like gel that keeps your hair up, and I think that's my new favorite. I used to only use Anastasia Beverly Hills for brows and kind of steered away from it, and now I feel like I'm back on that bandwagon. So that is my entire ipsyx. I believe it was a great bag. I would have liked the Ola Hendrickson stuff. The Banana Bright Primer is one of my faves, but I do already have it, so I'm thankful to get new things. Other than that, the Charlotte Tilbury, like I said, I would have loved that. The Kosas mascara I own. MAC lipsticks you can get anywhere. Go to TJ Maxx, girl. They have tons of them right now. What else? MAC lashes, meh. CEO Glow I would have liked, and I would have not been happy with the Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. Who would have? But yeah, I feel like I really got everything that I would have really liked, and I think it was an all-around, these are a ton of the things that were in there. It was an all-around great box. I think that ipsyx is knocking it out of the park every time. I mean, we've only gotten 2, but so far I really like everything that has come in the X's, and I'm happy to be getting it. I'm not so happy about the regular ones or the mini. I mean, it took forever to get there. It's almost like it's on boxies time. I did get my boxy regular box in, and that will be coming up on my page soon. Also, I've been into some DIYs, and this shirt was $8.99 from Walmart. It's oversized perfectly. I got it for like to wear as a t-shirt dress, or just to wear with some cute biker shorts underneath. Let me know if you guys would like to see a DIY video of me doing like the different style dyes that I did. I have some pictures I can throw up here of the different ones I've done for my son and for myself, and I think I really enjoy doing it, and it's something different for me. And I feel like with summer fastly approaching, the new style of oversized tees and tie-dye and stuff like that, I've got you covered if you want to go buy some cheap tees at Walmart or Target, Old Navy I went to the other day, and I will help you reverse tie-dye, and I'm working on something for regular tie-dye as well. So let me know if it's something you guys would like to see. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being patient with me. I really know where I want to take this channel. I think that I'm just having a hard time figuring out how to take that avenue, and I really appreciate everybody who's been so positive and kind and loving and supportive of me, and I appreciate that, and I'm getting on my journey of doing that. If you guys have any ideas, please, like always, let me know what you got in your box. Did you love your box? Did you like my box? Did we get box? Are we box twins? Not did we get box twins, are we box twins? Yeah, so I appreciate you all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week and a wonderful weekend ahead. We have some beautiful weather in Jersey, so I am excited. Again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Make sure you're unpacking every day. Make sure you're being kind. Do your affirmations. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.